Want your bibliographies to look as sharp and organized as a professional publication? Let's master the hanging indent in Google Docs, a simple trick that makes a huge difference. First, make sure your ruler is visible. If you don't see it, go to View, then click Show Ruler. Now, select the text you want to apply the hanging indent to. This is typically your entire reference list or bibliography. Look closely at the ruler. You'll see two small markers. On the left side, a solid blue rectangle and an upside-down blue triangle. The rectangle controls the left indent for all lines, and the triangle controls the first line indent. We want to create a hanging indent, which means the first line of each paragraph stays on the left margin, and all subsequent lines are indented. To do this, click and drag O and LY the upside-down blue triangle marker to the right, about half an inch, or to where you want your indent to start. See, your first lines are now perfectly aligned, and the rest of the text is indented, making your sources easy to scan and verify. This formatting is a staple for bibliographies, citations, and any list where you want the first line to stand out. It instantly elevates the readability and professionalism of your Google Docs documents. Alternatively, you can achieve this through the formatting options. With your text selected, go to Format, then Align and Indent, and choose Indentation options. In the Indentation options window, find the special indent drop-down menu, click it and select Hanging. You can then adjust the by amount. If you need a slightly different indent, click Apply, and you'll see the same clean hanging indent applied. And there you have it, a professional hanging indent in Google Docs, ready to impress. For more formatting tips and Google Docs tricks, be sure to subscribe.